Kungaloosh adventurers, welcome to another TMR Tours. Today we're going to talk about some Dole snacks at Magic Kingdom. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Now there's more than just Dole Whip at Magic Kingdom, so let's head back to Storybook Treats and check out the different offerings they have here. This location is in Fantasyland, located next to the 100 Acre Goods gift shop. The Lost Princess Cone is a lemon Dole Whip that's dusted with edible glitter and decorated with beautiful edible flowers, and it's inspired by Rapunzel from Disney's Tangled. If you're a fan of lemon ice or you like tart desserts, you'll really enjoy this treat. Let's head over to Tomorrowland to Anti-Gravity's Galactic Goodies. Here we're going to get the Adventure is Out There cone, which is inspired by Pixar's Up. It's a mango Dole Whip that has a decoration on it of little chocolate beads in the shape of balloons ready to take flight. We thought this one was delicately balanced between sweet and tart, making it a great flavor. Especially if you really like peach or mango, you'll really enjoy this one. Last up, let's head over to Aloha Isle over in Adventureland for something new and special called the Hey Hey Cone. It's inspired by Disney's Moana, and it features traditional pineapple Dole Whip on the bottom with a raspberry Dole Whip on top. It is decorated with a sour candy strip and 2 chocolate eyes. Aloha Isle also has a few other Dole Whip treats such as the pineapple upside down cake and our favorite, the Dole Whip Twist, which is Dole Whip twisted with vanilla custard. We're really loving these additional Dole treats at Walt Disney World, and they may not be around forever, so if you're in Disney, you might want to stop by and check them out. Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour. Have any questions or suggestions for future videos? Leave them in the comments below.
Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified when future videos are posted.
Stay connected on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And don't forget to check out our blog on tmr-tours.com.
We'll see you on another adventure.
Kungaloosh.